Sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Randhir Singh becomes first Indian to be elected as Olympic Council of Asia President. Olympics News. Veteran sports administrator Randhir Singh on Sunday became the first Indian to be elected as the President of the Olympic Council of Asia, OCA, during the 44th General Assembly of the Continental Body in New Delhi. A five-time Olympic shooter, Randhir was the lone eligible candidate for the OCA president's post. His tenure will run from 2024 till 2028, and his election was unanimous. The 77-year-old Randhir has been the OCA acting president since 2021, filling in for Kuwait's Sheikh Ahmad Al-Fahad Al-Sabah, who was handed a 15-year ban from sports administration in May this year over ethics breaches. Randhir, who held different administrative posts in Indian and Asian sports bodies, was officially named OCA president in the presence of Sports Minister Mansukh Mandaviya and top sports leaders from all 45 countries of Asia. He hails from Patiala in Punjab and belongs to a family of sports persons. His uncle, Maharaja Yadavindra Singh, played Test cricket for India and was an IOC member. His father Bhalindra Singh, also a first-class cricketer, was an IOC member between 1947 and 1992. Randhir was also a member of the IOC between 2001 and 2014, after which he continued as the honorary member of the global sports body.